Ever wondered how to fund your Robinhood account and start investing? You're not alone. It's a question a lot of people have, especially when they're just starting. So, let's dive right in. Can you link a debit card to your Robinhood account? The short answer is no. Robinhood doesn't directly support linking a debit card for funding your brokerage account. While this might seem like a roadblock at first, there are other ways to transfer money into your Robinhood account so you can start investing. Robinhood primarily uses bank transfers, also known as automated clearinghouse (ACH) transfers, for deposits. This means you'll need to link your bank account to your Robinhood account. Don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process. First, you'll need to gather some information. You'll need your bank account number and routing number, which you can usually find on your checks or by logging into your online banking account. Once you have that information, you can start the linking process on the Robinhood app or website. Look for the account or funding section where you'll find the option to add a bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account and routing numbers. Robinhood might also ask you to verify your bank account to ensure it's really you. This usually involves confirming small trial deposits that Robinhood makes into your bank account. It might take a day or two for these deposits to show up, so keep an eye on your bank statement. Once you see the deposits, you'll enter the amounts in your Robinhood account to verify. Now, you might be thinking, why can't I just use my debit card? Well, there are a few reasons. ACH transfers are generally more secure and cost-effective for brokerage firms like Robinhood. Debit card transactions often involve processing fees, which can eat into your investment funds. Another thing to keep in mind is the time it takes for funds to settle in your Robinhood account. ACH transfers usually take a few business days to complete. This means that even after you initiate the transfer, it might take a couple of days before the funds are available for you to invest. While you can't directly link a debit card, there's a workaround that some people use. You can link your debit card to your bank account and then use that bank account to transfer funds to Robinhood. This way, you're indirectly using your debit card to fund your investments. However, it's important to note that this method still involves an ACH transfer, so the processing time will still apply. Also, make sure your bank allows ACH transfers from your debit card linked account. One other thing to consider is the potential for overdraft fees. If you try to transfer more money than you have in your bank account, you could incur overdraft fees from your bank. So, always double-check your account balance before initiating a transfer. Now, let's talk about alternatives. Besides ACH transfers, some brokerage firms offer other funding options, such as wire transfers. However, wire transfers usually involve fees, and they might not be as convenient as ACH transfers. Robinhood also offers instant deposits for certain users. This feature allows you to access a portion of your transferred funds immediately, even before the ACH transfer is fully completed. However, instant deposits might have certain limitations and restrictions, so it's important to read the terms and conditions carefully. So, to recap, you can't directly link a debit card to your Robinhood account. However, you can easily link your bank account and use ACH transfers to fund your investments. While it might take a few days for the funds to settle, it's a secure and cost-effective way to get started with investing on Robinhood. Remember, investing involves risks, and you could lose money. So, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before you invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.